There are small differences in interpretation, and it really depends on what the impact of the effect of a failure is. So if we look at something, looking at a petrochemical installation, if a small failure occurs there, it could be a lot more catastrophic than would say there's the same sort of leak on a water facility, a minor water facility. So it really depends on the criticality and the risk associated with the equipment. Fundamentally, all equipment are the same. So which is why, from an asset management perspective, I'm able to jump across various industries, because a pump used in the water industry looks remarkably similar to the pump in the power industry, looks remarkably similar to the pump in the petrochemical industry. Yes, there are certain protections and certain things which are different, but fundamentally they are the same sort of equipment. The important thing when you're looking across different industries is to figure out which things are the same, but at the same time, which things are different. Why are certain equipment treated differently in a one industry compared to the next industry, which may have the exact same brand and model of equipment, but because they're used in slightly different applications, the risk impact and the organizational considerations of it is completely different. So